Kakapost ko lang pero ito dodobod. Kailangan ko mag-rant. Okay. So, ang rant natin ay sa tungkol dahil wala kang jowa. Ah! Nalulungkot ako, naiinis ako. Sana, like, kahit sino na lang. Like, titiis. Magtitiis ako. Magtitiis ako. Kahit sino na lang, parang awa nyo na. Parang awa nyo na. Masabi lang ba? Tayo, marami akong rant dito. Tingnan natin. Marami akong rant na binibidyo ko sa sarili ko. Nung nagrarant. Babalikan lang natin yung mga times na nagrarant ako para maalala ko kung ano may mga pinagrarantan ko.
People I liked in the past and people I loved in the past, like love, I don't know, whatever. It's gonna be on 3 times speed because I don't want you to hear, but I also kind of want you to hear, so I have an outlet for my feelings. Yeah, let's start with the first guy. I feel like it's gonna be like 3 guys or whatever. Let's start with Max. Oh, we met in Yubo. 2022 January 2022. I don't know if we broke up a month ago, and I really don't give a shit anymore, but like I should really give a shit. But I'm not. I feel happy because he found another girl, and the other girl stopped me. At first, I was like really bad, and now he's like, don't give a shit because I was shitting her friend.
Okay, so anyway, tatlo lang ata yung taong nandun. Like, yung mga taong I genuinely like. Kasi sila lang yung, like, dalawa lang doon yung napupugian ko, like, type ko. Tapos, si ex ko. Yun. Yung mga taong, like, I genuinely like. Yung unang, like, tapos, like, nag-uusap kami, like, yung feeling ko may chance. Yung, like, 2021 guy. Hanggang ngayon, di ko pa rin siya makalimutan. I sometimes stalk him. Yun, kasi we never ended. Like, parang, kasi natapos yung pandemic, so hindi na kami nag-uusap, tapos nagka-jowa ako. Yun, hindi na kami nag-usap nun. Pero like, I feel like we had a connection. Siya lang kasi kausap ko nun dati sa Discord. Okay, what's this?
Pangarap ko sa buhay magkaroon ng poging rapper na boyfriend. Tapos, exclusive lang na ako yung gagamit ng mga story niya, ganun. I mean, yung kanta niya sa story ko. Tapos, ipapost ko. Tapos, hindi pa siya sikat ngayon. Tapos, bigla siya sikat. Tapos, kasi ang pogi-pogi na boses niya, ganun. Tapos, sasabihin ko, pag sumikat siya, oh my God, asawa ko yan, ganun. Pangarap ko sa buhay magkaroon ng
Ang pangarap ko pa rin yun sa buhay. Oh my God. Parang, basta in-expose ko lang sarili ko sa mga rants ko. Kasi gusto ko lang talagang mag-post. Kasi feeling ko naging inactive ako. Wala naman may pa sa buhay ko, pero okay lang. Okay. Ito.
I just realized when you're a guy and you look ugly, you're cooked for life. You can't do anything about it. You're just ugly. Oh no. I just realized when
Totoo
you're a
naman
guy.
yun. Kasi like, you can't, like, hindi ka pa rin mag-makeup. Like, the only thing that can save you is your haircut. What if you're balding? You're cooked.
Okay guys,
Okay, so, yung video na yun, naglalakad ako. Tinatamad ako maglakad.
Hi vlog, welcome to my vlog. So I just realized that I might never find love. I might never find love.
Okay, let's start there. I might never find love. What? Para,
Hi
like,
vlog,
makakuha ka na
welcome
idea,
to my
tapos siraran
vlog.
ko
So
sa
I
inyo.
just realized that I might never find love. I might never find love. Which is kind of sad because, like, ewan ko, siguro kasi meron ng Mercury retrograde. I hope it ends soon kasi hindi ko na kaya. Anyway, I might never find love. Like, someone that I will truly, truly love.
Okay.
So, kasi
Gets ko na yung point niya. So, di ko alam if I'll ever find someone who's my type and someone who I will love, like, genuine love. Yung parang magugustuhan ko talaga sila, tas they like me back, tas they will love me as much as I love them. Parang ganon. Like, parang makakahanap pa ba ako ng ganon in this economy? I don't know. I told us sinabi ko dun sa video na to, like, I can't date someone who's fucking rich. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam. Like, feeling ko, like, sa ugali ko, I mean, I want someone rich, pero sa ugali kong to, parang it's impossible na makakuha ng someone rich because, like, I don't think that ugaling ganto para sa mga burgi, bro. Alam mo yun. Tapos ayoko din naman like someone broke. Do you get me? I don't want some guy who's broke. So like, ano gagawin ko? Okay, so upper middle class. Date people in your range. So I'll date upper middle class motherfuckers. Yan, excited na ako makahanap ng jowa. No rush though. No rush. But if you like me, bro, just like talk to me right now. Hindi ko na kaya. Okay. Nananawagan po ako kung sino man may type sa ganito. Just like slide into my DMs. Call me. I'll literally slide to my DMs. Call me. 0968-288-6920. Call me, okay? Okay, type ko Chinito Moreno. Kahit isa lang dun, Chinito o Moreno, kahit Moreno, wala pa eh. Gusto ko lang ng dark. Okay, salamat guys. Salamat sa pag-rant. Sa pag-rant. Sorry, ang dami ko nang in-upload. Pangatlo na to.